Alright, so here we have the ball rig, and with the ball rig, it's a combination of two. I don't know why this thing. Anyway, it's a combination of two. But first, I want to just go over the general things about it. Here we got the move all to move the ball character wherever we want to. Unfortunately, this part cannot scale, although it scales the controller underneath it, which this controller you can scale the ball with. And what we have here is this particular controller right here will rotate basically the geometry, and then you have this right here which will rotate your squash and stretch, and then this controller up here is actually the squash and stretch. From there you can translate here, and also by selecting the main controller at the bottom, you have channel box. Jump in there, you can turn on the tail, and with the tail it does pretty much everything, although the tail follows the rotation of the geometry. So when you're doing your animation, that's just one thing you gotta keep in mind when you have the tail on. And you go here to tail viz, turn off and on. And that's pretty much all I have for the ball. Yep, that is that. I think that's it. Alright, happy animating, and if you want to get a hold of this ball, just sign up. There's a link, should be below eventually, and go ahead and join the workshop. Alright, later.